Hey guys, today we're making fried chicken, and what's special about this recipe is it's the laziest fried chicken, but also the best. A lot of recipes will call for dipping in egg and then some kind of flour, breadcrumbs, then back in the egg, then more dipping. Here we're gonna do everything just in a bag. So from the time we start up until the time we fry, the chicken never leaves the bag, so there's very little mess. So here is the chicken, which is still semi-frozen out of the freezer. And here are the seasonings. You can season your chicken with whatever you like. Here I'm using salt, chili powder, a little bit of cumin, garlic powder, paprika, some ground black pepper, and in the middle that's thyme. So we can just open up the chicken. Today I'm using thighs. Give that a satisfying shake. In we go. And we're also gonna add just a little splash of vinegar. This is gonna serve as a brine. Some recipes call for like buttermilk. I think just a little splash of vinegar like that, just enough to moisten the outside. Works as a fine brine, and then you just give it a mush it around. And store it in the fridge until the next step. So I'll see you at the next step. All right, so it's a little later in the day now. Our chicken has been evenly coated in the seasoning. It's absorbed most of the liquid. As you can see, it's not very wet. If you do have excess liquid in the bag and you don't want to add batter to it, you could spill it out, but I'm not gonna have to because it's fairly dry. So I've prepared the batter here. It's about equal parts flour and cornstarch. Cornstarch really coats the chicken well and helps to make a crispier crust. There's also about a teaspoon of salt. You could also use potato starch if you don't have cornstarch, that works well too. So I'm just gonna give that a little mix, like so. And we will dump it into here. Exact measurements aren't really important. You wanna have a little bit of excess flour though, so the pieces don't stick. I like to seal the bag with some air in it. And then gather it together. Twist, twist, twist. And then you can give it a good shake. Let's see how we did. Beautiful. Everything is nice and coated. And now we're just gonna let that relax with the flour and the cornstarch for a little while longer so it gets really stuck and chicken can relax. And then we'll fry next. See you then. All right, so we're back and we're ready to fry. Our chicken is well rested in the flour. So we're gonna pick up a piece, shake off excess, and into the pan, like so. And if you have a deep fryer, that would work, or you can use a pan like this, it works fine too. To save on oil, you can use a smaller pan, and cook on both sides for a couple minutes, and take it out, put it on paper towel or on a rack, and you're good to go. Okay, so all the thighs are cooked. The batter is light and crispy and flaky. And the chicken looks delicious. There it is.